The Supreme Court has ruled that an under-trial prisoner's right to life does not diminish even a wee bit when in jail as an accused for an offence, and said such a person's health concerns have to be taken care of by the state, and if not done so, by the judiciary. Counting of votes for high-stake assembly polls is underway in West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Assam and Puducherry. In accordance with COVID-19 protocols, the Election Commission has made necessary arrangements for counting 6 decades after upholding the constitutional validity of Section 124A of Indian Penal Code, which penalizes sedition. The Supreme Court has agreed to examine and whether the penal provision had lost its relevance in the present conditions. Jamnabai Narsis Hoanchen, who is to join Syracuse University for Mechanical Engineering in the fall of 2021, heaved a sigh of relief on the learning the travel ban from India has accepted students. Acting Director General of Police DGP Sanjay Pandey has written to the state government saying he is recusing himself from the task of conducting 2 inquiries against former City Police Commissioners Paramveer Singh. Pandey sent the communication after Singh alleged the acting DGP offered to mediate in his standoff with the state government. The Supreme Court on Saturday refused to refer counting of votes in the Uttar Pradesh Panchayat election scheduled for May 2, but added new norms to the stringent COVID protocol with the hope of safe completion of the process for declaration of results in 241,451 seats amidst resurgent COVID pandemic. In 2 separate shocking incidents, 16 COVID-19 patients died for alleged want of oxygen supply in Anantapur and Kurnool cities in the Andhra Pradesh on Saturday, while 11 patients died at Anantapur Government General Hospital reportedly due to low pressure in oxygen pipeline. 5 others died at a private hospital in Kurnool. Considering the rapid rise in COVID-19 cases in the second wave of the pandemic, the Jammu and Kashmir government on Saturday extended the Corona curfew in 4 districts, including the twin capitals of the Union Territory, Srinagar and Jammu, till May 6. Birthdays are all about making your loved one feel special. As Anushka Sharma turns a year older today, fans from all over the country have poured in heartfelt wishes for the actress, along with pictures and videos of the beauty. Several Bollywood stars took to their social media handles to shower the birthday girl with love and wishes.